Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet Mickey Mouse ears. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for third round we will start with 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and after that we will make 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, and in next stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches. So it is a pattern of 1 2 1 2. We have to follow this 1 2 1 2 pattern all around. Okay, 1 double crochet stitch in one stitch, next stitch 2 double crochet stitch, again 1 double crochet in one stitch, and next stitch 2 double crochet stitch. So just follow this pattern all around the circle and all around the round, and when we reach the last stitch, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for last round we will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the circle. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. These are crochet Mickey Mouse ears. So this is how our Mickey Mouse crochet ears look like on the applique. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos. I am coming up with many new appliques. Okay, so please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Already many tutorials are there on my YouTube channel. Plus I'm coming up with many new of them. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.